Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video we are going to be talking about Munivore.io, an amazing project that you need to check out. And also, before getting started to this video, if you can hit the like button and subscribe, it'd be awesome to see your great support. And let's continue with the video. As you all know that currently there is lots of hype going on for NFT and GameFi, that is play to earn project. So here it is, Munivore is a play to earn project where you can play games as well as earn real money out of it. So they are creating a best metaverse, and this will be launched on BSC. They are creating this Munivore metaverse, which will be comprising of NFT, game base plus game fee, which will be really cool. So you will be getting 3-in-1 experience, that is you will be getting all three different experience in one ecosystem itself. So which will be a really great game changer project. And also, if you are interested in buying MOWA token, that is the native token for Munivore, you can register yourself for whitelisting. Their IDO is getting launched on Launch Zone. It is an IDO platform. If you want to know step-by-step procedure, I will be sharing this document link in the description, so you can click on that, and here they will be guiding you step by step on how you can get yourself whitelisted. And also, if you want to know more about this project, here is a dream paper. I will be sharing this dream paper link in the description. So here you will find all the information that is necessary for you to do your own research, which will be really cool. And their app will be launching soon. As you can see, this coming soon, 4 days and 9 hours from now. So they will be also launching their app soon. And here I want to share an amazing statistic with you guys, that is they have already got around like 47,000 plus followers on Twitter and Telegram, which is a really good signal. And also, you can check out the Twitter. Here they share some daily updates about Munivore and what is going to be happening. So as you can see, this they recently shared an article where they got around like top second ranking, that is for top blockchain games with best social signal. So social signal is really helpful for an project. This shows how an active community and project has. And here you will find all the latest announcement and partnership that they have done with other projects, so which is also something really cool. And also they have some great list of partners that are backing this project. And let me give you a quick overview that what actually is Munivore. Munivore is an epic puzzle game which is going to be launched on blockchain technology. So it will be a 100% decentralized project which will be giving you a complete new experience of a legendary dragon hunting game. And also, this game was inspired by Battle of Legend. If you have played Battle of Legend, so you may be knowing that how this game will be actually working. So here you can play the game with friends and family. You can also share strategies of how you can play the game, and also donate cards to other teammates and build your own community. And then you can compete with other via your community and earn in Munivore, which is an interesting concept that play to earn brings to this industry. That is, you can play as well as earn. And also they will be having a match 3 puzzle battle where you and enemy takes turn solving match 3 puzzle on the same board. Means there will be a same board for it, and you and your enemy will be playing. So this is an amazing concept that they are going to be bringing. If you want to know more about it, I will be sharing this white paper link. Here they have given and complete information about how PvP and match 3 work, that is PvP 1 versus 1, PvP party, PvP bad token. All the information will be mentioned over the white paper. So white paper will be playing a crucial role for doing some research about this project. And also here they have around like 30 plus heroes, each with game-changing ultimate skills. Means they have developed over 30 plus heroes with each and everyone having its own benefit, which will be a really cool concept. And here are the NFT items, that is earn your NFT items and trade them on the marketplace to make money. And they will be having an NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell different NFT items that you own, and you can make some great money by selling NFT. As you all know that currently NFT is also getting lots of hype. So this project is going to be a game changer for all the field, that is GameFi, NFT and DeFi. And also here you can earn some high yield, that is they also offer NFT yield farming where you can stake your NFT and earn some great APRs. So this is a metaverse, that is gamepad, NFT yield farming, game fee, that is play to earn. And also the good thing is that they will be having their own gamepad where they will be incubating new games and doing distribution for them, which will be really great. And additional use case for all the MOWA token, that is MOA token holders. This is the native token for MOA, that is Munivore, which is a really amazing metaverse. I'm pretty excited for this. So they are having a total supply of 300 million tokens. They have allocated 40% of the total supply just for play to earn rewards, and out of which 15% has been allocated for core team and advisor, 10% for liquidity, 10% for marketing, and a private sale has been allocated 6%, seed sale 6%, private sale to 8%, and public sale, that is IDO, has been allocated 3%, and they have allocated 2% as a reserve fund. So in this way they have allocated the total supply, and it looks really cool that they have allocated around 40%, that is maximum of its supply, for just rewarding their user, that is all the user who will be playing this game, which is an amazing. And also here you can check out the official contract address, and make sure you always double check the contract address before buying the token, because there are lots of scammers out there who create fake contract, and you get ended up buying fake token. And here is black hole algorithm, that is indestructibility, decentralized, safe auto farming, fair launch, continuously rising price floor, whale shock safety. So these are all the amazing algorithm that they are working on, that is decentralized, safe auto farming, whale shock safety, which will be creating and giving you the best experience in this space. And here comes the roadmap. Currently we are on 10, 20, 21, that is IDO round, game launching, NFT marketplace, NFT airdrop, and then coming up with 11th and 12th NFT auction, blind box. Soon they will be releasing more and more roadmap and future plans for this project. Currently they have released their plans till Q2 3 4 2022, that is game update. So if you want to know more about the roadmap, you can stick to their Telegram, Twitter to get the latest update. And here is how to buy MOA token. If you want to know more about the whitelisting, make sure to check out the dream paper. Here they have listed all the information. And here comes the partners and investor. So as I previously told that they have lots and lots of partnership. As you can see, they have a great list of partners that are backing the project, that is Hub, Launch Zone, BSC, Cardia Chain, Base, DTS, Live Trade, Rada, BSC Army. So these are all the projects that are backing this project, and which this looks really cool that they have lots and lots of partners that are backing this project. So the project looks really amazing. And as you all know that currently there is lots of hype for play to earn, and as you know that X Infinity price is rising like constantly. So this can be the next potential project that you don't want to miss out on. And if you want, you can 100% participate on their whitelisting and get yourself some good allocation, so you are the early adopter of this project and make some great return. And make sure to join them Telegram group as well as Twitter. Here they got around like 49,000 followers, and here you will get the latest notification about any of that is whitelisting is now open. Here you will find all the latest information about any listing or any other action listing they got will be mentioned over here. So that was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.